my channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So today I'm collaborating with my friend Jamie, and I'm super duper excited. We've been talking about this for months now, and because I'm pregnant, I'm just like, Jamie, I don't know exactly when we're gonna be able to do this. I want to do this with you, and I wanted it to be something fun that both of our audience would enjoy. If you're not following Jamie, y'all, I will have her stuff linked down below in the description box. Check her out. She has the most adorable family. She just gave birth to twin girls not too long ago, and she also has another daughter as well. So all of them are just super duper cute, and I just loved following her pregnancy journey on social media. Absolutely obsessed with her. And she is also going to be doing the same kind of video that I'm doing today, which by the title you can tell we're doing a fall shop with me. So I am going to be taking you along to HomeGoods and TJ Maxx to see what they got. I have no idea what they have. I haven't even looked hardly any, and I definitely haven't been to HomeGoods, which is where I'm at first. She's going to be taking you to Kirkland's, Michael's, and I also think Hobby Lobby as well. Speaking of Hobby Lobby, I did Hobby Lobby on Monday, so if you want to see my rendition of what Hobby Lobby has, make sure to check out that video from a couple days ago. And like I mentioned, I will have her video down below so that you can go check out all the goodies that she spotted. Everybody always goes in stores and sees different things. So even if we were to do the same stores, we would definitely see totally different things because everybody has different styles. And I absolutely love that about everybody just being different. So make sure to check out my girl Jamie. You will not be disappointed. I cannot wait to see all the goodies that she finds. So without any further ado, let's get out of this hot truck because we might be shopping for fall, but shh, it don't feel like fall, okay? So let's get out of this and let's go into air conditioner. Ooh, pink. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is different. Love it. This is where I got my wreath last year. If I see anything similar, I'll show it to you.
Don't you worry. I'm fine and I got nobody to blame. Do not bother. I know that it is hard to understand. I know I was born to do this. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. I said I'm getting through this. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of.
if you decorate for Halloween, they have a ton of Halloween stuff out. I'm not a big Halloween decorator, but some of this stuff is really cute. Oh my goodness. Let's see what else we can find.
Oh good, don't ever have to leave, don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave, don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you.
This little guy's cute.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
This is really pretty. The colors are just really pretty. $3.99. My favorite part of fall would have to be the smell of fall. When did they start making these little Ray Dunn candles? White pumpkin latte. We're gonna have to smell some and see what we think. I have heard some good things about the sand and fog. I want to say my mama just bought a sand and fog and she loved it. They have rearranged my home goods and I'm totally lost. Totally lost.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
Ooh, all the fall pillows.
I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just want to go my own way.
I love that color. I love it. It's so rich looking. I love that plaid too. That's different. I love the different stuff. I've really been into these like creamy colors though for fall with like pops of the richer, deeper jewel tones. This color is gorgeous. I think it says grateful. I'm not sure how much it is. They're so stuffed in here, it's hard to get them out. These black and white pillows are really cute. They have a ton of Halloween and fall blankets in here. So those were all of the fall goodies that I found at HomeGoods. Obviously it's August and I don't think that all their stuff's out yet, but I feel like the vast majority is going to be out. So that's why I'm going to do TJ Maxx and HomeGoods for you guys, just so you get an abundance of things to check out. Plus these are like sister stores, so I figured I would just compile the two together. So now let's get out and go to TJ Maxx. Seeing a lot of these tiered light up pumpkins. Really cute. This teal color's cute. Look at that big mama. $49.99. And that's pretty heavy. It's only $14.99, and that is a big, that's a big pillow pumpkin. Pregnancy brain is real. Let's see what else we got over here. Those are cute. I've never seen those before, and it's a set of 4, and they say gobble. Ray Dunn, $14.99. Some other cute bowl sets and stuff. Of course, they got some table runners. Love that yellow. It's almost like a knit. $14.99. I'm a sucker for all of these. If I ever did a real fancy tablescape, I would definitely use stuff like this. I think it's just so pretty and traditional. These are different. I really like those. They are $19.99. They're in these galvanized buckets. Very cute. Of course, they got some Halloween stuff out. All these little pumpkin people. And I'm finding some Ray Dunn sets, Boo and Spooky. If y'all are into the Ray Dunn stuff. It's kind of cute. That's cute. Oh, I've never seen anything like this. So this is like faux corn. It's like, I don't know what you would call that. Big fan of all of these wooden pumpkins. Especially love those. Get all the pumpkins, get all the pumpkins. Ooh. Indoor, outdoor, safe. Good. Those are cute. I really am a fan of the funky shaped ones. Like this. Love that. I'm a little scared to pick it up to see how much it costs, but there it is. That's different. Of course, they got a ton of pink. All the pink, all the metallics. Very fancy. I love this color. How much are you? $6.99. That's not bad. It's like a peachy tone. Really cute. Let's see what else we got. Blanket City. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at this. Apples. Yeah, they got a bunch of blankets. I especially love this one. It's $24.99. It feels really good. This one looks extra cozy as well. That one does too. I love blankets that have tassels on them. That yellow one is $19.99. Here's another cool, funky shaped pumpkin. That one's $19.99. Ooh, this one kind of looks like knobby wood or something. Not sure how much it costs. Must be free because there's no price tag. That is pretty. And it's $39.99. Not bad at all. That's very pretty. They do have some really nice wreaths in here. They're not going to be Walmart price, but these wreaths are going to last you a while if you take care of them. Love it. They also have some swags. Some more cute pillows. I am really, really loving this natural looking pillow. Pillow's $24.99. Really, really love it. It's huge. You got a lot of other ones to choose from too. Loving this mustard color that I'm seeing. Really, really loving that. It's a set of 2 for $24.99. They have a lot of that mustardy color in here. These are more of the solid pillows. There are some leaf ones. Not sure how much that set is, but it's probably like the same price as the other. They have a lot of these wooden cutout letters with these words. Really cute. Another cute pumpkin. Ooh, that's cute up there. Loving these muted tones. Very, very pretty. Love that. Love that. I'm gonna smell some candles and let you guys know what to be on the lookout for. I didn't see much in HomeGoods as far as fall candles go, so hopefully I find some good ones in here that I can share. Pretty good. This is the Everyday Looks white pumpkin. So if you see this one, I would try that one. Well guys, that's a wrap here at TJ Maxx. All the cute things. I feel like I smelled a candle for far too long because now all I can smell is pumpkin and apple. I'm not complaining though because that's like my favorite smells in the world. Don't forget to look down below in the description box to check out my girl Jamie. Go see all the good, wonderful fall goodies that she was able to find. I cannot wait to see what Kirkland's has. I love Kirkland's, but I'm not near a Kirkland, so I live vicariously through other people's shop with me. So I'm excited to see what she finds. If you're from Jamie's channel and you've never seen me before, I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for more content. I'm super excited to bring you guys my fall decorate with me and my fall home tour, and of course this fall baby that we got baking up in this oven. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.